Hello, this is Patrick at OneCNC West, and what we're going to do in this video is take a look at the brand new incremental input for geometry creation. The first thing I'm going to do is just sketch a rectangle here. That looks good. Let's make a couple of holes or circles. I'll use a 0.75, and let's just place these right at the arc centers there. That looks good. Alright, now let's say that we need to create some smaller holes that are incrementally spaced off of these larger holes. Well, to do that, we're going to go back into our circle command. I'll change the diameter to something smaller. Now for incremental input, here's your incremental values here. If you don't see them, you can click on the little incremental button here. That will expand or collapse your incremental input. Okay, so for the X amount, I'm going to type in a positive 1 inch, and for this I'll type in minus 0.5 for the Y value. Now as I move my cursor, you can see that new circle is incrementally spaced off my cursor location. I could snap to a grid point, snap the datum, endpoint of a line, use coordinate input. In this example, I'm just going to grab the arc center and left click. Now as I'm in the command, I can come over here and make changes if I'd like. So instead of 1 inch, how about we type in minus 1, and I'll grab that arc center. And how about instead of minus 0.5, we'll put in a positive 0.5, and I'll grab that arc center right there. So you see what's happening here. It's real easy to go in and change values and still be incremental off of whatever shape you'd like. Same holds true for points and lines. I'll quickly demonstrate this. I just went into the point command, and for the X value, I'll type in 0.3, and for the Y value, let's type in minus 0.3. That looks good. I'll grab the center of that arc. That looks great. So there's our point. That's created incrementally off that arc. And let's do the same thing. Let's change the Y value, or excuse me, the X value to minus 0.3. That looks good. And I'll grab that arc center. I'm grabbing arc centers, but you can see it doesn't make any difference what you grab. You can use coordinate input, you can grab quadrants, midpoints, endpoints, whatever you'd like. Let's finish this demonstration with creating a line using incremental values. So I'm in our line tool here, and we'll use incremental input. I'm going to leave X set to 0, and Y I'll put in at minus 0.3. That looks good. So for the start point of our line, I'm going to grab that point, and for the end point of the line, I'm going to grab that point. And you can see that no matter where I grab, that end point is going to be incremental x0, y minus 0.3. So the new incremental input feature with XR5 is very powerful. It's really easy to use, and it really expands the capability of your geometry creation. Now in the next video, what we're going to do is take a look at the brand new interactive extrude tools. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you.